schools. Let us start it. Before we dive into the game, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every school represented today. To all players, we wish you the very best of luck and make the most strategic mind win. And the audience get ready for some exciting battles and display of chess scores. To officially inaugurate this event, we now invite our guest, Mr. Anurag S. Singh ji, guest of honor, Mr. B.S. Rana ji, Chief Arbitrary, Mr. Anurag Singh ji, to please come and light the lamp, a symbol of knowledge and alignment.
क्लैप कर लो।
And all present, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this event. To show our gratitude and respect, we would like to present our esteemed chief guest. With a bouquet flowers, I would now request our chairman sir to come forward and welcome our chief guest with this gesture of appreciation.
And now we are fortunate to have with us the talented students who will be presenting a mesmerizing Saraswati Vandana performance.
In medieval history and political science, be it born and brought up at Prayagraj, is an alumni of Allahabad University. He is in the field of education since April 1990. He is the founder or principal of Prakriti Valley School, affiliated to the CISCE New Delhi, president of Dehradun Private Schools Association, which has 70 premier council affiliated.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Drona School for this exciting and intellectually enriching chess tournament. We are truly honored to host such a prestigious event, bringing together bright and talented minds of various schools. Chess is more than a game. It is a celebration of strategies, patience, focus, and creativity. It teaches us the importance of foresight and decision-making values that are essential not only on the board but in life as well. I would like to extend my warm welcome to all the participants, coaches, respective chief guests, Mr. Anuj A. Singh. He is the principal of Prakriti Valley School, president, Dehradun Private Schools, and so many designations he is having. I would like to thank him. On a just call, in a short period of time, we went to him, asked for his valuable time, and from his busy schedule, he has given us time for grooming the students. I would like to thank all the players who have came here, schools who have trusted us and sent us students for here. To all the young players, play with integrity, respect your opponents, and most importantly, enjoy the game. Whether you win or learn, every move you make today is a step forward in your journey. Let the tournament be a platform for a new friendship, learning, experiences, and memorable moment. With that, I would like to wish all of you all the best.
From here, so that I don't address, I feel like I'm talking to you. I'm very sorry for coming 22 minutes late because the rear tire of my car got flat. I had to phone and another car was sent. So I was literally stranded near Bansiwala Bridge for 15 or 16 minutes. So children, I'm really very sorry and I mean it. I have to talk to you. And I don't want to be a leader. I want to talk to you as a teacher. And before I talk to you, I want to connect with you. If I don't connect with you, then it's merely a lecture, and lecture has no significance. Didi, don't. Are you ready for that connect? आप सब अलग अलग स्कूलों से आए हैं। जिस तरह से तमाम जाति धर्म संप्रदाय के लोग रहते हैं, वैसे ही हम सब रहते हैं, पर हम एक कैसे हो सकते हैं? एक छोटा सा आपको मैं डेमो देता हूँ। आप लोग अपना राइट हैंड ऐसे करिए, सारे जो लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं राइट हैंड, लेफ्ट हैंड ऐसे करिए और एक पहली उंगली से ताली बजाइए, तीसरी से, चौथी से। In the span of 5 seconds, we saw the intensity of the clap. But we are not one. I want you to realize how powerful we can become and we are if we are united. This lesson has to be learned at the school level, number one. Number two, I want to connect with you with another magical स्टाइल। आप सब ऐसे करिए, ऐसे करिए, ऐसे करिए और जब मैं बोलूं क्लैप क्लैप कर देना। आप सब फेल हो गए। मैंने कहा था कि जब मैं बोलूं क्लैप आप तब क्लैप करिएगा। दूसरी प्रॉब्लम आप यंग बच्चों की है, आप वो करते हैं जो आप देखते हैं. Boys and girls and dear teachers, Lord Almighty has given us brain to process, eyes to coordinate, hands to take up the job, and heart to enjoy and celebrate life. And here comes the role of a school like Dronas. I don't go by the grammar. I go to various universities all over the world. You can't imagine their infrastructure, but they do not have passion. Passion is more important than charm. Passion is more important than charm. Unfortunately, आज का बच्चा, आज का टीचर, आज के लोग फैशन पे जाते हैं, चार्म के लिए जाते हैं. My dear boys and girls, charm is momentary, style is permanent. This is what I felt. My association with the respected chairman, I treat him as my younger brother. Even my bachas treat him like Chacha, Uncle, and Shweta ji. I have seen this school growing, and what a joy! In 22 years, other schools they grow overnight, but that's not the growth. Growth is brick by brick, small little efforts. So please clap for them as well. The MC who addressed, the principal who addressed, and the lovely teacher who introduced me, and these girls, from their attire to the selection of music, and they wore yellow color. Yellow represents Jupiter, Brihaspati, and intellect as well. And Ma Saraswati represent white. Why white? सफेद कपड़े पहनना बहुत बड़े करेक्टर का सबूत होता है. छोटा सा दाग वही नोटिस होगा. Such is our faith. And now coming to this tournament, look how good your school is, and the schools of Sahodia family are. They have picked you to represent their school in a game like chess. Must know why chess is so significant in life. Chess is the only sport where you can go forth and back. कभी आप आगे चलते हैं, कभी आप पीछे चलते हैं, कभी आप लेफ्ट चलते हैं, कभी आप राइट चलते हैं. That's what the life is. It improves your cognitive skill. It improves your concentration. And above all, it improves your analytical power. You can't succeed in life with the concept known as rote learning. रट्टा मार के आप जीवन में नहीं आगे बढ़ सकते. Boys and girls, I can, I will, I must, I shall, and I ought to be. These are 5 magical words. मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये करूँगा, मैं ही कर सकता हूँ. जिस दिन आपको ये यकीन हो गया, the sky belongs to you. With this, I bless you, and I thank and bow my head before them for having me over. And it is such a joy to see young minds. आप ही इस देश का मुस्तकबिल हैं. You are the future of this country. Respect your family values. अगर आपके मम्मी पापा अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल पाते हैं, उन्हें सलाम कीजिए, उनके गले लग जाइए और उन्हें बोलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप नहीं कर पाए, मुझसे करा. Respect your teachers. Respect the gender. लड़कियों का सम्मान कीजिए. जिस देश, जिस परिवार और जिस स्कूल, जिस समाज में लड़कियों का सम्मान नहीं होता, education has no purpose, no intent, no significance. With this, I once again bow my head in appreciation, in gratitude to you young boys and girls for being so receptive, so attentive, and to the young couple who has given me so much of love which I cannot repay by any means. May God Almighty bless this school and continue to safeguard the interest of the children, parents, teachers, bhaiyas and didis, because these five, they make one, that is this beautiful school. Thank you so much, all the best, and I also take the opportunity to declare this meet duly open.
इसमें भी बेटा एक बार
All right. I request all the teachers and faculty members to please
Perseverance and sportsmanship. In junior section, in third position, IPS Rajawala Sanjeev Kumar.
नहीं हमारा घर इस स्कूल के पास
IPS Rajawala, IPS Rajawala.
Team coaches here.
Lokesh Kumar from Guru Nanak Mission Public School in second position. Now in first position, any guesses? Yes, the Sapien School, Harbertpur, Rudra Pratap. Can you please show your excitement with the clap? In second position, the Sapien School, Vikas Nagar, Naman Thapa. Again, any guesses for first position?
Yes, Harbertpur में सब
The Sapiens School, Harbertpur, Karthik Kumar.
करने का